Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to delete Excel columns. First, open your Excel workbook and identify the column you wish to remove. Deleting a column permanently removes all its data and shifts subsequent columns to the left. This action is different from merely clearing cell contents, which leaves the column structure intact. We will explore straightforward techniques to ensure you can manage your data effectively and maintain a clean, organized spreadsheet. Let's get started with the basic steps. The simplest way to delete a column is by selecting it directly. Move your mouse cursor over the column letter at the top of the sheet, like A or B, until it becomes a downward pointing arrow. Click once to highlight the entire column. Then, right-click anywhere within the selected column header. A context menu will appear. From this menu, simply select Delete to remove the column and its contents from your worksheet. To delete multiple columns, you have a couple of options. For adjacent columns, click and drag your mouse across their letter headers to select them all. If columns are not next to each other, hold down the Control key and click each header individually. Once all desired columns are highlighted, right-click on any selected header. A menu will pop up, and you can then choose Delete to remove all selected columns at once. Remember, if you accidentally delete a column, you can usually undo the action immediately by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. It's also a good practice to save your Excel file before making significant changes, like deleting multiple columns, to prevent any data loss. For more advanced users, consider using keyboard shortcuts for faster deletion. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning routine. It offers voice control and self-emptying convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.